There's an exit dive by the Toyota, isn't it? Yes, it is.
This is an urgent message for the vehicle owner. We've been trying to reach you about your...
Suck my balls. No. When we go left, we have our left blinker on, not our right blinker. Because Volvo directed the left lane with the right blinker on. The right blinker is the wrong blinker. Toyota, you're on the wrong side of the road. You realize that? Dum 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 dum. I think you ran the stop sign back there. Pretty sure you did. Let's see. You wanted to there, couldn't. Haha. Thank you. Hey, officer, no one's coming yet. Don't mind us. Driving alone with the mask on like an idiot. Hey, yeah. That's totally unnecessary. If I never hear this friggin' commercial again, it'll be too soon. What are you doing? What are you doing? Dummy, friggin' dummy, at your own turn lane. Subaru. Nope, no left turn from that lane, lady. Because Toyota. Don't beep at him because you screwed up. It was your fault. I don't think you like that. Go, dummy. What the hell are you carrying? Nice. Pay for delivery. Exit dive. Uh-oh. Do we have exit regret? No. And whatever this black thing is. Yeah. No, you are, but... Whoa! Aha! Jesus Christ. God. Hey! Try looking, performance trans. Just stop randomly in the parking lot to eat your friggin' Whopper, dude. turn on red, no turn on red, no turn on red, because Toyota. Stop sign, you should stay. Watch out, watch out, watch out. I'm here, do you mind? Don't give me the hand, lady. You coming in my lane. Dumbass and Saturn. I'm blaming the Saturn because they had their blinker on. Yeah, there it goes again. Stop sign. Okay. Bye. Good move, Grandma. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're exit diving. Cameroid. Yeah. Boogie, 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 do roll the stop. Yep. You didn't stop, did you? Probably not. Subaru, you know how they are. Jeep, you know how they are. Speed off, lady. Just speed the hell off. Roll a stop with the Range Rover. Nissan didn't stop, I'm sure. MacLeod Tuesday, the van didn't stop. Yep. Here comes the Infiniturd. There goes the Infiniturd. Whee! Nope, 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 nope. You're supposed to be in that lane, neither's that truck back there. Nope. 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 No, 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 no. Nice pass, Infiniturd. Pick a lane. Pick a lane. Pick a lane. God damn it. Go, you dummy. Was that? Yeah, that's an exit dive. That's a Subaru. That's an exit dive. I identify as a Tesla. Oh, nice cut off there, Mr. Bucket Truck. Bucket you. It's been too tough. Son. Shut up, guy beams! Toyota's like Cameroids! That annoys me. I know it's not the only thing. I need a giant light bar on the back of my car. Shining my friggin' eyes. What are you doing? It's not how blinkers work, dude. See that big truck behind the Toyota turd? Highlander. Really? 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 What the hell is wrong with you? What the heck? He had his blinker on when he was next to me trying to move over. For sure. Yeah, go ahead. Cut somebody else off. It'll be cool. Dumbass. Thank you, Camry. Thank you so much. Go! Stupid ass. What the hell did they do to this? Yeah, that's not an eyesore or anything. Loving me in a flash, he touched me so deep. That was not a stop, Miss Missy. Not really quite one either. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Red light runner. Jesus. 5R W717. Because Toyota. I hope my high beams are pissing you off. Yeah, that was a cutoff. That was a Volvo. What was that for? If you have an emergency, keep your friggin' emergency lights on. Doesn't seem to be in a big rush all of a sudden. What are you slowing down for? What are you slowing down for, you dummy? Armstrong Ambulance. Big friggin' emergency, huh? Proudly serving the town of Saugus. And that's an exit dive. Got a blinky, you asshole. Go, dummy. Not you, not you. I led the right away, which was not you. Come back!